A hoodie is sitting on your table. The logo placement looks crooked, the thread keeps breaking, and suddenly that simple custom gift feels like a tiny business crisis. Embroidery machines can be magical, but only when the machine matches your skill level, space, and goals. Today, we're ranking the 7 best options for beginners, creators, and growing shops. All the links are in the description so you can check out the current prices. Let's dive in. Number 7. Poulin EOC06. For a beginner who wants room to grow, this machine is a surprisingly serious starting point. The Poulin EOC06 gives you a large embroidery area, several hoop sizes, a 7-inch color touchscreen, and enough included supplies to start stitching before you overthink everything. What stands out is how approachable it feels. You can drag, edit, combine patterns, add lettering, and transfer designs through a universal serial bus drive or wireless connection. That makes it less intimidating if you are coming from crafting, vinyl, or basic sewing. This is the one I'd recommend for hobbyists who want to customize clothing, towels, pillowcases, bags, sweatshirts, and gifts without jumping straight into a commercial machine. The included designs, fonts, thread, bobbins, stabilizers, and beginner-friendly support help soften the learning curve. Tap the link in the description to check it out. Number 6. SmartStitch S1001. This one feels like the first step into real commercial embroidery without the machine taking over your entire room. The SmartStitch S1001 is compact for a commercial unit, but it still brings auto thread trimming, automatic color changing, thread break detection, laser positioning, and a large stitch memory. The big shift here is productivity. Instead of babysitting every little change, the machine handles more of the workflow for you. That matters when you are stitching logos, hats, bags, denim, canvas, leather, or vinyl, and trying to make the process repeatable. This makes the most sense for small business owners who are ready to move beyond hobby machines, but still need something manageable at home or in a small studio. The support community is a real advantage because commercial embroidery has a learning curve no matter what anyone says. The drawback is that it is still a serious machine. You need patience for setup, tension, hooping, and file preparation. But once it clicks, it can open real business doors. Check out the link in the description to see more. Number 5. Poulin EOM15. Now we are talking about production. The Poulin EOM15 is built for people who are not just making one cute sweatshirt for a cousin. This machine is aimed at daily orders, repeat customers, multicolor logos, caps, hoodies, patches, and small shop growth. The 15-needle setup is the headline because it reduces constant thread changes. When you can load more colors at once, you save time, avoid mistakes, and keep designs moving. For a business, that is not just convenience. That is more finished orders in a day. This is not the one for everyone, but it is excellent for home studios and small embroidery shops that need higher output without jumping into a huge industrial setup. The large embroidery area is useful for jackets, tote bags, hoodies, and back designs, while laser alignment helps with placement accuracy. The cap station and cap hoops also make it stronger for hat-focused sellers. The catch is commitment. It costs more, needs space, and rewards people who will actually use its capacity. If you liked it, check it out by clicking the link in the description. Number 4. SmartStitch S1501. This machine has the energy of, all right, we are opening the shop. The SmartStitch S1501 is a 15-needle commercial embroidery machine with a large 14-inch by 20-inch embroidery area, fast stitching, a 12-inch touchscreen, laser positioning, automatic color change, and a wide-angle cap system. The best part is versatility. It can handle shirts, jackets, bags, shoes, denim, canvas, leather, vinyl, 3-dimensional puff embroidery, and cap sides. That means you are not locked into one product type, which is important when customers start asking for random things. This is the one I'd recommend for someone seriously starting an embroidery business and wanting a machine that can grow with demand. The big touchscreen makes design control easier, and the training support helps because this is a serious investment. The small criticism is obvious. It is expensive, and it is more machine than a casual hobbyist needs. But for real commercial ambition, this is a classic workhorse-style choice. I've left the link in the description. Number 3. Fuja 1001. This machine lands in a very interesting place. It is commercial enough to feel like a business tool, but not so overwhelming that a motivated beginner upgrading from a single needle machine should instantly panic. You get 10 needles, automatic thread trimming, automatic color change, thread break detection, laser positioning, physical buttons, self-lubrication, low noise construction, and strong stitch memory. In normal terms, that means fewer manual interruptions and more confidence when running shirts, caps, patches, uniforms, bags, denim, leather items, and small logo jobs. This makes the most sense for side hustlers who are moving from practice projects into paid orders. It gives you the workflow advantages of a multi-needle machine without jumping straight to 15 needles. The included cap accessories, hoops, threads, stabilizer, bobbin thread, and tools help you start faster. I like that it focuses on setup support too, because your first cap embroidery session can humble anyone. For more opinions, see the link below. Number 2. Smart Stitch S1201. This Smart Stitch is the machine I would look at if noise, workspace, and versatility all matter at the same time. It gives you a generous 12-inch by 16-inch embroidery area while staying in the under 15 needle category, which makes it a smart middle ground. The direct vertical guiding system is designed for stable, quieter operation, and that matters if your embroidery setup is inside a home, spare room, or shared workspace. Loud machines get old fast when you are stitching for hours. This is an excellent pick for growing businesses that want commercial capability, but do not necessarily need a 15-needle machine yet. You still get auto thread trimming, automatic color changing, self-lubrication, thread break detection, laser positioning, physical buttons, and a smart control system with huge stitch memory. It can work on caps, shoes, bags, leather, canvas, denim, and vinyl. Did you like it? In the description, you can find the link for more details. Number 1. Brother PP1. This pick deserves a spot in this video because it makes embroidery feel inviting instead of intimidating. It is not the biggest machine here, and it is not pretending to be a commercial beast. It wins because it gives beginners a clean, creative, realistic way to start. The machine works with the ArtSpira application, so you can draw, import designs, and send creative ideas into a compact embroidery machine that fits in a craft room, bedroom corner, or small studio table. That matters for people who do not have space for a giant setup. This is the one I'd recommend for true beginners, casual creators, gift makers, and anyone who wants to personalize jeans, towels, blankets, shirts, and ready-made items without learning a commercial workflow first. The 4-inch by 4-inch embroidery area is the limitation. You will not be making huge jacket backs or bulk business orders here. But for learning, experimenting, and making custom pieces that feel personal, it is the friendliest pick. It removes fear, and that is huge. If you're interested in this model, the link is just below. Well, that concludes our review of the 7 best embroidery machines you can get right now. If you are interested in any of them, all the links are in the description. You can check the current prices or get a deal. And hey, there's also a free trial of Amazon Prime. 30 days, no shipping costs, faster delivery. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more top picks like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.